Master your monthly money flow. Tips and tricks. Welcome back to. If you've ever wondered how to manage your money like a pro, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about optimizing cash flow, managing credit cards smartly, and making use of idle money. We're gonna break down simple, actionable steps to take control of your finances. Let's dive in. First things first, every time you get that paycheck, you need a solid game plan. I like to use a simple 50/20/20/10 split. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities. 20% goes to savings and investments, your emergency fund, retirement account, index funds, real estate. Another 20% goes towards tackling any debt you might have. Credit card bills, student loans, personal loans, anything with interest attached. Prioritize paying these down aggressively. Finally, the remaining 10% is your lifestyle fund. This is for guilt-free spending on things you enjoy. If you're debt-free, redirect that 20% towards your savings and investments to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Okay, let's talk credit cards. They can be a powerful tool when used correctly. First, prioritize paying down high-interest debt. If you have credit cards with interest rates of 20% or more, those are your biggest enemies. Focus on crushing those balances quickly. Look for cards that offer benefits like cashback rewards, travel points, or discounts. I personally use the Revolut card for its cashback and travel perks. Avoid making just the minimum payments. If you can't pay the full balance, pay as much as you can above the minimum. Many cards offer interest-free periods, typically 30 to 45 days. Take advantage of these grace periods by planning your larger purchases strategically. This way you can essentially get a free short-term loan. Your hard-earned money shouldn't just sit idly in a traditional bank account. Remember that 20% we talked about earlier? While some should be in an emergency fund, the rest can be put to work. Explore high-yield savings accounts. Digital banks like Revolut offer better interest rates. If you're comfortable with more risk, consider crypto yield wallets like Bybit for passive income on stablecoins. Another strategy is short-term investments like ETFs, bonds, or dividend stocks. Investing involves risk, so do your research and consider your risk tolerance. Make your money work for you. Let's wrap up with some quick-fire tips to supercharge your monthly cash flow management. Automate everything. Set up automatic bill payments to avoid late fees. Get a spending tracker app. Revolut has a built-in tracker that categorizes your spending. Create a budget. Even a basic plan outlining your income and expenses will help you stay on track. Prioritize building that emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will give you peace of mind knowing you're covered in case of unexpected events. Stay proactive and informed. And that's it for today. Managing your money wisely doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent steps lead to big financial wins over time. Hit that button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what your biggest financial challenge is right now. See you next time.